Okay, so today we're going to talk about the four kinds of sentences, meaning the four types of structures of sentences that we have in English. So the first one we've already talked about. It's an independent clause, also known as a simple sentence. So on your notes, I would probably just do one big column with 4 rows in it. And then you can draw these pictures on there. Okay, so first one is simple. It's one independent clause. Remember that a clause is a subject and a predicate, plus it makes sense. So I'm representing that with a box. That's a simple sentence. Compound sentence is 2 independent clauses joined by one of our fanboys, comma, fanboy, or with a semicolon. That's what that dot over the comma is. So I represented that with 2 boxes stacked on top of each other, because they just build on each other. They're compound. They're not a different structure. The third type is complex. So complex sentence is 1 independent clause plus 1 dependent clause. They're joined by a subordinating conjunction. And I've represented them with puzzle pieces. They kind of like match up and they fit together, because the dependent clause relies on the independent clause to make sense. So that's where the structure is a little bit different than our box representation of our simple sentence. And then the final kind is the compound complex sentence. This is 2 independent clauses or more and 1 dependent clause. You can also have more dependent clauses. And you need to have them, they're joined by both a comma, fanboy, one of fanboys, and a subordinating conjunction. So that's why I have the puzzle pieces as like boxes, because they're now combined. The structure is, they fit together like puzzle pieces, but they also add to each other like the compound sentences do. So those are our 4 structures of sentences: simple, compound, complex, and compound complex.